ICSE Mathematics Class 9 Chapter 2 Exercise 2.1. Question number 8. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 2000 at 10% per annum for 2.5 years compounded annually. Answer 1. Principal amount for the first year equal to rupees 2000. Rate percent of interest per annum equal to 10% per annum. The interest of first year equal to rupees 2000 10 into 1 by 100 equal to rupees 200. Amount at the end of the first year equal to rupees 2000 plus rupees 200 is equal to rupees 2200. Principal amount for the second year equal to rupees 2200. Interest for second year equal to rupees 2200 into 10 into 1 by 100 is equal to rupees 220. Amount at the end of the second year is equal to rupees 2200 plus 220 equal to rupees 2420. Principal amount for the third year up to 6 months equal to rupees 2420. Interest for the third year up to 6 months equal to 2420 into 10 into 1 by 100 into 1 by 2. Is equal to rupees 121. Amount at the end of 2.5 years equal to rupees 2420 plus rupees 121 equal to rupees 2541. Compound interest is equal to 2000 rupees 2541 minus 2000 equal to rupees 541. Question 9. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 50,000 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum, the interest being compounded semi-annually. Answer 9. Principal amount for the first 6 months be rupees 50,000. Time is equal to 1.5 years equal to 3 half years. Rate percent of interest equal to 8% per annum equal to 8 by 2% per 6 month and 4% per 6 month. Interest for first 6 months equal to 50,000 into 4 into 1 by 100 equal to rupees 2000. Principal amount at the end of the first 6 months equal to rupees 50,000 plus 2,000 equal to 52,000. Principal amount for second 6 months is equal to rupees 52,000. Interest for second 6 months equal to rupees 52,000 into 4 into 1 by 100 equal to rupees 2080. Amount at the end of second 6 months equal to rupees 52,000 plus 2,080 equal to 54,080. Principal amount for the third 6 months equal to rupees 50,080. Interest for the third 6 months equal to rupees 54,080 into 4 into 1 by 100 is equal to 2,163.20. Amount at the end of third 6 months equal to rupees 54,080 plus rupees 2,160.20 is equal to 56,243.20. Compound interest equal to 56,243.20 minus 50,000 is equal to rupees 62,043. 6,243.20. 6,243.20. That's all.